नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सब कैसे हो। दोस्तों इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा यूपीवीसी विंडो कैसी लगाई जाती है, उनको क्या रेट होता है। अगर आपको यूपीवीसी विंडो के बारे में जानकारी चाहिए तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। यूपीवीसी जो विंडो है, आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि घर में वुडन विंडो बहुत कम हो गई है, कोई बनवाता ही नहीं है, उसका खर्चा भी ज़्यादा है या फिर पॉलिश करना है, लकड़ी की भी आजकल कमी है। तो क्यों क्या और उसमें प्रॉब्लम भी आती है क्या, या उससे ये अच्छी रहती। बाकी हम सर से बात करेंगे, अलग कंपनी का मटेरियल आता है, ये जो मटेरियल है ये कौन सा है ये भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा। तो दोस्तों आप वीडियो में बने रहिए। और दोस्तों मेरे चैनल पे कारपेंटर से संबंधित ज़्यादा वीडियो मिलती हैं, तो अगर ऐसी कुछ आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। दोस्तों जो भी टेक्निकल इशू होते हैं या फिर कोई फिटिंग है नहीं, उसके बारे में बताता रहता हूँ, कुछ डिज़ाइन के बारे में साइड ब्लॉग। तो दोस्तों आप चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ठीक है दोस्तों, हम सर से बात करते सीधा, ज़्यादा टाइम है।
Hi, my name is Saiful Islam Khan, and I am into this UPVC windows since couple of years, almost 13.5 years in Bangalore itself. As of now, I have done 1,000 plus houses in Bangalore, and now today I would like to show you the advantage of our product, and also I will compare about with the aluminium and wooden windows, what are the advantages you will get in this our product, and what are the features and characteristics of our product. First of all, this is a UPVC window, which is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, and in this window it comes with different types of designs, sliding, openable, and top hung window, fixed window. It's a custom design also. Whatever the sizes you will give, based on the size we can provide. And advantage is, for example, this window is an openable window. Now first of all I would like to show you the difference of advantage of this product. It's in any angle. For example, it's a 90-degree angle, and for example it's a high-rise apartment. When you go from outside you cannot come and clean the outward, so you can enter your hand from inside itself and then it can clean one thing. Second thing, it can in any angle you can keep top and bottom 2 hinges will be there, and it can friction stay hinges. You can keep in any angle, 45 degree, 90 degree, it will stay like that. It will heavy winds also, it won't go anywhere, it will stuck like that only. Number 3, it's very easy to close and open. Now first, a very important thing is why you should go with UPVC is, this is first of all it is a fire retardant properties. Second thing, in wooden windows, for example in summer and winter, different, it will be abstract, contract. This will not be abstract or contract, it will be like that permanent for your lifetime. Third thing is it's silicon, what we do in wooden window, which will not be proper wear, but it can be sealed completely. And very important advantage is it's a soundproofing product. It's 100%, I cannot say it is soundproof, but it's substantial, it can noise can reduce. That is a very big advantage for you. And moreover, it's aesthetic, you can see it's very neat and clean. You can, after lifetime polishing, you will never need to do any more paint or anything. For after 20 years also, if you wipe by soap and water, you can clean, and you can see it will be like that only. And one more important thing is, you will not need to do any polishing, anything. Just soap and water you can clean this window. And apart from that, inside everywhere steel reinforcement will be there. It's very heavy product. You cannot cut or anything. All the corners will be fused and welded. All the 4 corners will be fused and welded. And one important thing I would like to add here, if you go for a wood or wooden windows, you cannot get a factory made product. What you have to buy a profile of wood, then you have to cut, you have to do polishing, many other lots of wastage will be there. But what you will get in this window, accept whatever the aperture size, accept that aperture size you will get. You don't need to pay a single penny extra. Whatever you have the size of window, exactly the same amount you are going to pay. So you don't need to pay anything, a single penny extra on that. And one more thing I would like to, you can see on the bottom, there will be a drainage slot outside. Whenever it rains or anything, all the water will go out through the drainage slot. Even a single drop of water will not come inside. And it's, you can see it's a top to bottom, multiple locking mechanism will be there, multi-point is there, 1, 2, 3, but in a single point you can use this, it will keep top to bottom, it will walk like this only, sir. And one more thing, glass also, different types of glasses can be given. For this a tinted glass which can give heat insulation. Apart from, we have a frosted glass which is for privacy purpose. Also toughened glass which is tough to break. Apart from laminated glass which is secure glass. Also we have digi glass which is soundproofing glass. Different types of bits based on customer requirement we can provide. Also we have a different designs. We have a 2-track 2 panel, 2-track 3 panel, 3-track 3 panel, 2-track 4 panel. Different based on the size, aperture size we can do. I can show you some more windows which is newly installed. The size is little messy and the work is going on. You can see, I will show you. This is a 3-track 3 panel we used to say. So you will get all the shutters can close in one side. And one advantage for this, you will get 67% opening. Because some people, customers wanted maximum opening. For that case, we are giving these types of windows. So here you can, if you want this much, also you will get. If you want more opening, you will get that. And also, either side you can open. All these 3 shutters will come to one side and sealed. Also, if you want this side also you can open. You can see. Either that side or this side, either side you can open and it can be locked properly. This is a sliding system, 3-track 3 panel. Also we have different design for kitchen window also. And one more thing, we have 2 types of mesh also. One is fiber mesh, another is stainless steel mesh. Fiber mesh is also available, stainless steel mesh is also available. We have a very important thing which I like to show you. This is a silicone. This is a silicone, matte silicone we use. We don't use normal silicones, which can be sealed for all the 4 corners, and it's at least 20 to 25 years it can stay. So there is, I can give the assurance of the silicone what we are using. That also it's a branded, and the glass what we are using, that is also from St. Gobain company, which is the best brand company in India. And apart from that, the product what you have seen, that it is also very good quality. We are giving 10 years warranty on our product, and also hardware we are giving 1 year warranty. And very important is post-sale service within 72 hours. The moment call comes, within 72 hours we can clear your problems. Price, see, the smaller the window, square feet always will be more. Bigger the window, square feet always will be less. And also price depend on the designs, what designs you will go for. Also, one more thing is important on the glass. What type of glass you will go for. Based on the glass also, it can be varied, the price.
सर रेगुलर क्लियर ग्लास यूज करते हैं ज़्यादातर हम, तो क्लियर ग्लास के हिसाब से आप रेट बता
फिर भी अप्रॉक्सीमेट जो प्राइस रेंज है, स्टार्टिंग मिनिमम देखिए, कहीं भी फिक्स्ड विंडो है, फिक्स्ड विंडो कोई भी डिजाइन नहीं है इसमें, जस्ट ए फिक्स्ड विंडो विद ग्लास, नॉर्मल ग्लास, तो 350 से 400 रुपया में मिल जाता है। एक विंडो है ओपनेबल विद लेमिनेटेड ग्लास, उसको 1500 रुपया तक हो सकता है पर स्क्वायर फीट में बोल रहा हूँ। और स्लाइडिंग नॉर्मल जो 2-track 2 पैनल आता है विद मस्कीटो मेश, तो 600-700 रुपये में मिल जाता है, नॉर्मल स्टैंडर्ड, विदाउट एनी एडेड ग्लास और एनीथिंग।
जो ये वाला जो विंडो है अभी
3-track 3 पैनल,
इसका क्या रेट है?
इसका 3-track 3 पैनल, इट्स ए tinted glass, great tinted glass. It's good for sound heat insulation. Also from outside no one can see through, but from inside you can see properly. And also it's a cooling glass. तो इसका approximate ये साइज का जो है वो आगे 7.5 feet by 5.5 feet है, so approximate the price will be around 650 rupees per square feet.
सर साइज के ऊपर भी डिपेंड होता है।
Exactly. जितना छोटा साइज रहेगा उतना स्क्वायर फीट रेट ज्यादा होता है, जितना बड़ा साइज रहेगा उतना स्क्वायर फीट रेट कम आता है।
प्रोसेस क्या रहता है, कितने टाइम के बाद में अगर कस्टमर आज मैंने ऑर्डर किया?
On that is very good question. The day you will confirm the order, within 24 hours, one of our technician will visit the site and he will take the proper measurement based on your aperture. based on your aperture, it will go for production. So from that day onwards, it can take at least 10 to 15 days.
10 to
Within 10 to 15 days, it can deliver, and the day it will deliver, next day onwards, our installation will start. For that, it will take depend on how many quantity and all. 10 से 12 दिन में आपका मटेरियल
और मिनिमम अगर अर्जेंट है जैसे
इट्स एंड आल्सो दैट इज डिपेंड एटलीस्ट 100 विंडोज अप टू 100 विंडोज 10 से 12 दिन में कर सकते हैं
10 बजे। तो ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, आपने
Thank you.
पूरा
Thank you so much.
इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया हमारे कस्टमर के लिए।
Thank you.
ओके सर।